In this video, I will help you find the best drones for kids in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Ryy T. The Ryy T is a remarkable entry point in the world of drones, especially designed to cater to the curious minds of children. This lightweight marvel is as versatile as it gets, perfect for indoor exploration on rainy days or outdoor adventures when the sun is shining. With its 5-megapixel camera, the Ryy T can effortlessly capture stunning still images and record 720p videos, setting a high standard for imaging quality in the realm of toy drones. One of the standout features of this drone is its educational value, thanks to its compatibility with Scratch, a user-friendly block-based visual programming system. Young tech enthusiasts can embark on a captivating journey into the world of coding. This coding capability has made the Ryy T a favorite among STEM educators, fostering creativity and critical thinking skills. It offers a full range of flips and tricks to amaze friends and family, and even includes easy video shots, allowing budding cinematographers to experiment with their storytelling skills. While the physical design of the airframe hasn't seen updates since 2018, Ryy has continuously provided software updates, ensuring that the drone's app remains fresh, functional, and secure. For those seeking even more features and capabilities, alternative apps are readily available in app stores, offering exciting functions like panoramic photography and FPV flight, expanding the horizons of what this compact drone can do. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the ideal choice for young aerial photographers and older kids who appreciate top-notch quality and advanced features. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, it conveniently avoids the need for registration in many regions, making it accessible to young enthusiasts eager to take to the skies. This drone is more than just a plaything, it's a serious flying camera. It boasts the ability to capture 2.7K video and high-resolution photos, rivaling the capabilities of pricier professional drones. The camera's mechanical stabilization guarantees smooth and cinematic footage, making it the perfect tool for unleashing creativity. Furthermore, it empowers users to capture captivating orbiting selfies for social media sharing, elevating their content creation game. While the previous controller design has been discontinued, the newer version offers improved durability and signal strength, ensuring a seamless and worry-free flying experience. The DJI Mini 2 SE is not just a toy, it's a passport to creative exploration and stunning aerial imagery. Number 3. Holon HS 330. The Holon HS 330 is a drone that seamlessly combines fun and safety, making it an excellent choice for kids and parents who prioritize security during playtime. With features borrowed from both professional brands and toy drones, it delivers an entertaining yet secure flying experience, thanks to its altitude hold capability and an array of 5 sensors. It can be effortlessly directed with a simple wave of the hand, promoting safe and interactive flight sessions. A standout feature of the Holon HS 330 is its circle mode, enabling the drone to perform graceful circular maneuvers, adding an extra layer of excitement to flights. With 3 speed modes to choose from, young pilots can tailor their flying experience to match their skill level and preferences. Moreover, the user-friendly battery design minimizes the risk of damage to delicate cables or lithium battery cells during replacement, ensuring longevity and reliability. The propeller guards on this drone are highly effective, reducing the likelihood of accidents and ensuring that fun remains the top priority during every flight. The Holon HS 330 is not just a drone. It's a guardian of safety and enjoyment in the world of remote-controlled aviation. Number 2. Hon H2 Mini Drone. For those who are conscious of their budget, the Hon H2 Mini Drone stands out as an exceptional choice that doesn't compromise on excitement or ease of operation. Packed with features such as altitude hold, 3 distinct speed modes, protective guards, and the invaluable emergency stop feature, it has been meticulously designed to be incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that it's accessible and enjoyable for pilots of all ages and skill levels. What truly distinguishes this drone from others in its price range is its remarkable inclusion of 3 batteries. This means that you can revel in an impressive 24 minutes of uninterrupted flight time on a single charge. Such extended flight duration opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're looking to engage in high-speed racing competitions with friends or simply savor the thrill of piloting in your own backyard, yet the Holon H2 Mini Drone doesn't stop at delivering an affordable drone alone. It arrives as a comprehensive package, including a dedicated controller for precise maneuvering, spare propellers for unforeseen mishaps, robust guards for added protection during flights, and USB chargers to ensure your drone is always ready for action. These three invaluable drone batteries provide the advantage of extended playtime without the inconvenience of frequent recharging, making it an ideal choice for those seeking uninterrupted entertainment. Number 1. Potensic A20. The Potensic A20 is a compact and sturdy drone designed with novice flyers in mind, making it perfect for kids who are taking their first steps into the world of remote-controlled flight. Featuring a built-in pressure sensor for hassle-free hovering on a headless mode that simplifies control by using a single control stick. It's incredibly easy to maneuver, even for beginners. Safety is a top priority with the Potensic A20, as it comes equipped with robust prop guards that provide an extra layer of protection during flight. While the battery flap design may require a bit of patience, it's worth noting that this drone includes 2 batteries in the package, extending the fun and flight time for young aviators. Overall, the Potensic A20 is the ideal choice for kids embarking on their journey of remote-controlled flying. It combines simplicity, durability, and safety, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable introduction to the exciting world of drones. Alright guys, this is the video for today. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace out.